So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do fast 90s on the 10.20 update, aka the Turbo Build Nerf update. Basically this update, when it came out 1 or 2 days ago, caused more delay in between each build. So if you're doing something super fast where you're placing a lot of builds like 90s, it'll pretty much make it unable to happen. And as you see a clip of me here, like when I place the wall and then try and place the ramp down fast, it is just unplaceable and it doesn't place. And then when I switch, all of a sudden there's no ramp. But here's what it's going to look like when you're done. As you see, it's really fast, and this is on the 10.20 update, these clips. But it's pretty fast, and no, you don't get to use a flat when you do these 90s, but it's still pretty fast and it gets you your high ground. So I'm just going to go slow motion to show you guys how to do these. So basically 2 walls and a ramp. And it's kind of simple to do, but the main thing about it is you have to make sure that you give some time in between your second wall and your ramp, or else the ramp won't place. Here's a clip of me doing these 90s, but slowing down the clips, like they're in fast motion, but just slowed down, so you can really see how they work. And I mean, again, it's really not that complicated. And no, the clip of me doing this in full speed was not sped up either. Like, these are actually legit. And as you can see, I mean, it's pretty close to real 90s. It's just you can't place the flat to get the stability too. And here's what happens when you try and do them on 10.20, or at least for me, this is what happened pretty much. Mainly the main struggle was that one of the builds, most likely the ramp, just wouldn't place because I placed a flat and a wall, and then by the time I did those two, I tried placing the ramp so fast that it just didn't work. And I've actually also seen another method of 90s that people have went to, and I'm not too good at these, but if you get good at doing them, they can actually be pretty fast, like with the flat and the ramp. Again, the problem with those is you kind of have to look down when doing them. Also, Tfue had a method too that he used with his school wheel, which is also really effective but difficult to do. You can look that up if you want to know how to do that. It's really helpful, and I'm sure there's many other methods out there that you could use too, but I really am confident in my method, and if it helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy it.